Hi everybody, this is Felicia and happy National Scrapbooking Day. Today I am I'm actually trying to get through this kit here. It's a much older kit. It's a bunch of stuff here that I have put together. I think it's 3 kits combined from the hip kit there, and I'm still trying to get through some of it. So I'm fumbling, should say, through all the stuff and picking out some of the stuff that I want to use on today's layout. Today's layout is a repeat photo that I've done before. I've done a bigger one of this particular photo for the Crafty Maven channel there. So if you want to check that out, I can put the link at the bottom there. Um, but this is a smaller version of the photo. I decided to go ahead and do that as well. And so there's not going to be very much journaling on it or anything like that. And you can see that I'm going through all my goodies, trying to flip through and find the perfect piece there for the layout there. And there's quite a bit of paper I have left. I didn't realize that until I started thumbing through that. It's a lot. So what I'm doing right now, I'm still fumbling here, but I'm going to eventually choose those 2 pieces of paper there that you see on the left for the layout, because I decided to go through there one more time just to check and make sure. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started on that using those pieces there. So now I got my white cardstock. There's the photo there. And I'm going to cut a strip of this nice little chevron type of pattern paper there. And I am definitely going to leave like a little bit of a white border along the edge. Me and my cutter wasn't getting along there. For some reason you can see that. Anyway, so I'm going to do the same for the wood grain piece there that you see. I'm going to cut that about the same width as that paper there. And I'm going to use about that much of it there because I needed a bigger space there. And so I'm going to go ahead and get my pencil here and measure it. I don't use the ruler unless I absolutely have to, so I'm just marking where I need to cut it. And it comes out somewhat even there when I do it that way. So, I mean, it's good. It's all good in the scrapbooking world. So, a little bit about what's been going on. I have been doing some layouts for Wild Whispers Designs and for the Crafty Maven channel. And I just haven't been doing anything personal on my channel until today. And this is great. This is a great idea. So, I like the fact that National Scrapbooking Day. I wish I could participate in more stuff on National Scrapbooking Day, but I do a lot of church stuff so on Saturdays, and so I'm not available a lot of the times to be able to participate in some of the things that go on for National Scrapbooking Day. So that is one of the reasons why I decided to go ahead and put this video up, so that way you can at least get an idea. And I think we're all doing it on the Crafty Maven channel there. We're all sharing our layouts and stuff and kind of putting together some stuff for National Scrapbooking Day. And yeah, so be sure to, kind of go around. There's a lot going on. There's lots of things that are being that are on sale. There are a lot of things going on, so you might want to go ahead and start checking everything out. It's going to be an all-day thing, of course. You know how National Scrapbooking Day is, and in other countries, it's available. It's already started before this video even goes up. So anyway, so that's pretty much it. So I am using these stitch stars. They're like a 2-layered stitch star, and they're from, oh my gosh. I'm doing it again. I'm having brain issues here, but anyway, I'll figure it out. And I'm going to be using a few of them. And I don't know, I just like this way this is looking so far. And I like that tag that has all the holes in it. I mean, that's cool. I think that is an awesome piece to put on this layout here. So, and I like to showcase that. So I'm not going to cover that up. And so I'm probably going to end up doing something else. I think I'm taking a pause here. Yeah, I am. I'm taking a pause. So I was watching something. So I'm going to be using, there's a star in this package that I want to pull out, and I'm going to be using that star on the layout as well as a wooden little star. And this is from the pink paisley. Is it pink paisley? Oh my gosh, I think it is. I think it is. Anyway, and I'm going to be using that star. Now, where I want to put it, I haven't figured it out just yet. But I do want to make sure that I save enough space for my title. And so I'm going to be, whatever I do, it's going to go somewhere on here, whatever I decide to do with it. You can see I'm standing there thinking about what I'm going to do. Look at the fingers going. Every time when I'm thinking, that's what happens. The fingers start going, and I don't even realize I'm doing that. Anyway, so now I decided where everything's going to go, and I'm going to commit to that by starting to glue everything down, and I ran out of tape. So there I go. Now I got more tape. Anyway, so I am gluing everything down, putting it down on the paper there and getting it all nice and somewhat straight. And I'm going to glue this piece as well right there in the center so that way I can have some space for my title. So that's somewhat straight. I'm usually get everything on Cricut anyway, so I'm surprised that it's even straight. So, all right, so I'm going to mat this photo and have a little bit of a white border, although you can't really see it because of the top part of the photo and they kind of blend together, but it does show up once I put it against the chevron background part there and get that all set. So I'm trimming it down, and now there it is, and you can see it there, the little bit of a border. And I'm going to go ahead and commit to gluing this down. I'm going to put the tag on there. And I thought I had some glue on the back of there, but apparently not. So I had to put some extra glue. And so I'm going to put that there. And the tag is going to stay there. And that's how it's going to go down, just like that. Yeah, I like that. I like that look. And I'm going to use this chipboard. At first I was going to put it in the corner, but I said, you know what, it's going to blend in, so at least let it stick out a little bit by backing it with a little bit of the pattern paper, so that way that helps. I'm putting the stars there. I'm putting one on the edge. I'm going to be cutting off the edges of that later. And I'm going to be putting on some of these stars, the stitch stars that I like, and just kind of put them, spread them all about there. And yeah. So once again, I'm sorry, I kind of lost track, but yeah, I've been super busy. School is almost out. I have a week and a half left. Finals are part of next week, and then next week, of course, the following week. And then I am out for the summer. Woohoo! I'm extremely happy. I'm extremely happy. So yeah, so that's what I've been up to. I've been wanting to really, really get into my channel lately, but I'm trying to connect with you guys as much as possible. Hopefully just, at least doing videos for the Wild Whisper designs here. So that helps out, quite a bit and things. So I just put some washi strip down there because I remembered I had to put the washi down. I totally forgot when I was, I had put it on to the side, then I totally forgot and I had to go ahead and start putting it down there, getting it all set. And so I think that's pretty much, yeah, there you go. We got it all set down there. Yeah, I like that washi. It's really cool. It's like a gold diagonal stripe. So it's pretty cool. So I figured out where I want to put that star. So also my title. My title is going to be going somewhere around in here at the top here. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that and get that put up. And it's called Story because there's always a story behind a photo, but this particular photo, there is a story, and I love how that came out. I'm also going to put that foam arrow to point towards that, because it says love this down here and it's pointing that direction. So alrighty, so I think I am almost ready to put down the title. But anyway, so that's what's been going on. I've been doing school and kind of busy, super busy, and just doing all kinds of good stuff there. And yeah, so I'll be back and I'll be posting my videos like regular. My kits are piling up, and so I need to go ahead and get started on that. I even had to discontinue a kit because it was coming too fast and too piling up, and that was one of my Felicity Jane ones. I really like them, but I couldn't get to 2 different kits, and so I had to discontinue that just for a short time. I'll probably pick it up for the 3 months of summer that I'm out, and yeah, that'll work for me. So I'm going to be using some of my Zots to adhere this wood star down, And if you don't know what that star looks like, it's got like a little bit of a stitch red border around it. So it looks pretty cool, and I thought it'd be the perfect thing to put down here. So there goes my title. I am all done with that. And so I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please enjoy the rest of your National Scrapbooking Day. And be sure to look around here. Thanks, guys. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.